Hi, I'm Wei Young, your Member of Parliament for Vancouver South. On behalf of our Conservative government, I'd like to wish you a happy Canada Day. July 1st is a day unlike any other, where family and friends join together in commemorating and celebrating the birth of this great country we know as Canada. Many new Canadians, as well as those working to become citizens, will say that moving to Canada is an exciting opportunity. Our abundant natural resources, our diverse society, and our commitment to fairness in life are admired worldwide. This year, as Canada celebrates its 145th birthday, I invite you to join me in taking part in celebrations throughout our community. Whatever your activities entail this Canada Day, I encourage you to reflect on how lucky we are to call this great country our home. 祝各位加拿大日快樂，祝國會加拿大日快樂。Happy Canada Day.